Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I missed my upload on Monday. I don't even know if you guys know that I upload on Monday, but usually Monday's my upload day and that just didn't happen. I have really been in like kind of like a funk because I didn't like my filming space, like my backdrop. I know that sounds very like stupid, but I'm in transition of moving, so I really didn't like my space, but I changed that by just going and creating something that I really like. So let me know in the comments if you guys like this. I think it's very simple, minimal, not too much, not screaming at you, but it's still something going on. Know what I mean? But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Because that makes so much sense. I just want to say quickly, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, okay? Because we have a bunch of fitness content on here that you need in your life and not these things interrupting. Ooh, that was crazy. You know when you get your nails done and you turn into a whole new person and you're like, I'm sorry, what? What'd you say? What? That's how I am. So I'm sorry if my nails are just too much in this video. But anyways, I was gonna say, if you have not followed me already on my second channel, make sure that you do so because your girl's gonna drop her video this week. And then also follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be uploading so much content on there that you can just like save and take to the gym with you if you forget to do a workout or you just need a little inspo. I know it's a lot easier just to save that, go on Instagram and see it, than like go to a YouTube video, have to scroll through my long intro like this to get to one. Alrighty, I'm super excited for this video because I love favorite videos. Alrighty guys, so our first product is who's sponsoring this video. It is White with Style, and if you guys have tried, if seen these little, you know, lights everywhere on Instagram, they're the truth. Okay, this is what basically they use at dental offices, and to have it like at the, you know, in your own home is so much better because teeth whitening at like a dental office is like extremely expensive. I know because I used to work at a dental office. But anyways, these are super cool because they come with these trays. Now, these trays aren't molded yet, but I will show you some that are molded. So they give you these trays that you literally boil for 6 minutes and then you put in your mouth and you mold them to your teeth, and they're literally like essentially like retainers. You can use them as night guards, but obviously use them to whiten your teeth. And this is how they will look after you mold them to your teeth and cut off those hand tabs. And then you get this little syringe. This is obviously the whitening product. It comes in a big syringe, and I'm telling you guys, this will last you forever because you only need the babyest amount, like a tiny bit. And you just put a little tiny bit in here. I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit in there and put them in. And then any excess that gets on your gums, you wanna wipe off. You really wanna wipe off because you don't want this product on your gums. Period, sis. You don't want it on your gums, okay? We ain't trying to have no boiling gums, no none of that, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in and just wipe any excess off. See, there was a little bit, of excess, so I wiped that off. And then after you have your molds in, you're going to take this here. No, but I usually leave it in for 10 minutes. You don't want to leave it in for more than 30, but you can leave it in up to 30. Oh, I gotta have a coupon code for you guys. So it's Manny Rose, and you can use that at checkout and basically get this whole entire kit for $29. And I think it retails for something crazy like $269 or, you know, just up there. So this is a really good deal. What I love most about this is it doesn't make my teeth sensitive. So I don't usually use a lot of teeth whiteners because of that. It makes my teeth so sensitive, but I think because this one is activated by the LED light, that the actual whitening is not super strong to where it's like eating away at your enamel, which is just like not good. So yeah, really love that. If you guys want to pick it up, of course, coupon code, a link will be in the description. And thank you so much to White with Style for sponsoring that. Now let's go ahead and get on to the rest of the video. So this next product, like, girl, let's show it before we unscrew it. What is it? What's going on? Anyways, this is the Basic Balm by Lululemon. So Lululemon just, let's refocus. So Lululemon basically just came out with their own self-care line, which they have like deodorant, natural deodorant, dry shampoo, literally everything from there. Their cool down lotion is bomb. Actually, I shouldn't include that in my freaking favorites because it is so bomb, and it literally feels cool. You put it on and it feels cool. You feel so fresh. So I have it in my gym bag because I put it on after I wash my hands and everything. I'll put it on because sometimes, most of the time, I'm like going to the store after, doing stuff after, and like I hate feeling like stinky and sweaty, and it smells good and it makes you feel good. But anyways, we're gonna talk about the Basic Balm because I have been using this every single day. And it has like, I think organic beeswax or something in it. But y'all, when I tell you, like, first I'm gonna apply it for y'all because it is so, it looks like gloss, honestly. And this stays on my lips like way better than any other chapstick I use. I choose this over my good old Vaseline, my handy dandy Burt's Bees. This is up there with them. And honestly, I've been using this one so much more because I don't have to reapply this one as much as I do the other ones. And honestly, if I gotta reapply my chapstick 10 times a day, I'm just not reapplying it. I'm just gonna walk around with crusty lips. That's it, because nobody got time. So my next product is not new. If you're new to my channel, then maybe it is new to you, but this is hands down the best protein powder I've ever found, the best tasting. It is just so good. Like, I've tried it so many different ways, and I honestly think there's nothing you can mix with this protein to make it taste bad, because it's just so good, and it's so fine, and it doesn't have that proteiny taste. And that is the Sprouts. This is the Sprouts brand. So I'm so sorry if you don't have a Sprouts, because I've tried to look online, and I'll try to link the most like similar to this one in the description, but it's this vegan protein. So it's vegan protein, it's not whey protein, and it has 20 grams of protein, and it's the vanilla one, and it's soy free, gluten free, and easy to digest. That's what it says here on the package. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel as well, I talk a lot about weight gain here and how it's been a struggle for me, and honestly my appetite is just not there yet to like intake as many calories as I really need to maintain my weight or to continue to like gain. So I do use protein shakes like almost daily. So I don't find there's nothing wrong with it. You should try to get most of your protein from your meals, but if you can't and you really do need some extra protein, there's nothing wrong with taking a protein shake at all. This next product, we're going back to beauty. We have a lot more fitness stuff in here, so don't lose me yet if you're over this beauty stuff. But I had to share this product with you guys because I just feel like, whoa, life-changing. Like, I'm not even saying like life-changing. Okay, so this is my old nasty, I know, I don't know why I even have it, I don't even know, because it was 20 bucks and it was freaking real beauty blender. It literally is the best. Okay, if you guys have not tried, this is the Total Face Sponge by e.l.f. Look at the size compared. Oh, the size comparison isn't that different. I'm dead. No, it is though. Why does it not look like that? It is, right? You guys can tell, like, this is much bigger than this one. It just doesn't look that big on camera. Like, well, okay, like that was so ugly. No, but look at the size difference. I guess when I put it in my palm, you can see. But I'm telling y'all, this one is just, you apply your foundation, three little, what is that? That's not swipes. Three little press-ons, and half your face is done. This can cut your time down doing your makeup in half, because that's the blending is everything in makeup. But oh my gosh, I'm obsessed, and it's so soft. It's even softer than my beauty blender, okay? It's dense. It has this flat part that I just love. It just feels so much more comfortable. Honestly, this sponge right here makes me want to do my makeup. Maybe this is because it's not fully wet. Like, it sat out for a little bit, so I think it's kind of shrunk, but it's huge, okay? And it gets the job done. It feels so good, and it's only $5. Don't go spending on that $20 beauty blender. I'm telling you guys, this one right here, life-changing. Love it. So now a little bit of fitness. My all-time favorite leggings right now, like hands down, y'all, and I have a whole lot of them. These leggings by Lululemon, I have to get the freaking name of them, because the only con I have to say before I even like talk about them is the camel toe is real, okay? Just gotta get over it. Camel toe is gonna be out there. It's gonna be out there, okay? But these are what they look like off, and I'm gonna insert a little clip probably of me like working out in them so you can see how they look on. Like, the way that they just like feel and they look on, and they like cinch you in at the waist, but they still give you a lot of room in the booty area, and then the little detail with the like, I have been living in these things. Like, I'll go to the gym 2 days in a row and these, just wash them and go back. I don't care. Right, so keeping it in the line of like fitness apparel, this cute little backpack that I actually got at an outlet in Vegas, like, I don't know, a long time ago, but I don't know why not a long time ago, maybe like 6 months ago, which is kind of a long time ago, I don't know. Anyways, this little Adidas bag is so cute, I think, and this is like my favorite. I usually wear my like workout outfits out and about, and I'm not like a purse type of girl. Like I hate big purses. I like small little things that I can literally just throw my money in, and my keys, and my phone, and my chapstick. That's it. I don't really need nothing else. If I could take that to the gym, that would be like my gym bag too, but that's just like everything I need, like my headphones and all that, and then I'll switch it out in my gym bag. That's been my like everyday bag. I just think it's super cute, and I usually always am wearing Adidas. These next shoes I want to show you guys are really extremely dirty, so don't judge me, but they're white, so that's what happens. But what I love about these white shoes is you can literally throw these in the washer, so that's like a game changer. But these are called the Adidas, oh, I don't even know what they're called. These are like, I don't know, the most comfortable shoes that I've ever worn, and I've been wearing them every single day to the gym, and they are so cheap. That's why I had to add them, because they're like, I think they're like 60 or 70 bucks, and I think I got a lot of comments on like where I get these shoes, so yeah. So I'll link these down below for you guys. These have been my like, my go-tos, my right hand. Go-to. That is not one of my favorites. This battery camera is not one of my favorites because it's always dying. You know, I have to plug my resistance bands because I use these every single day in the gym. They are so amazing. This is the light one, so it's super big, and it's you know, you have a lot of range of motion with this one, but it is still a challenging one. And honestly, I would say if you're a beginner to resistance band, if you're a beginner to working out and lifting heavy or resistance bands, then you want to get the light one, because this one is still going to give you a run for your money, but you know, it's going to still give you a lot of range of motion. Probably the only one that's available right now. So yeah, I use the light one for basically my warm-ups and just to, you know, still have more range of motion, but like activate my glutes and get them awake. And then I move on to the medium that I do with my working sets, and then I always add in my heavy with my hip thrust. So yes, I use all three every single time I go to the gym. I look crazy. I'm always switching them out and doing all this, and people are looking at me like, what is going on? Girl, why you got all that stuff? I just think they're so cute. I mean, I may be a little biased because they're mine, but all this stuff is just so good. Make sure you get your teeth white and everything, and then your skin right, and then I got your protein to get your body right, and then I got your leggings to make you look right. I got the whole package for y'all. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.